Hello children, welcome to Maths with CK YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about this year O-level graph questions. Actually, this year O-level graph was different from previous standard questions O-level, right? So we can discuss furthermore. Before moving to the graph questions, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon also.
සුවහසක් දරුදරයන් ගනිතයෙන් එතොර කරවන නව පරපුරේ ගනිත්ත ගුරුවරයා සීකේ නම් මැත්ස් නම් සීකේ චමෝත් කෝදාවල.
We discussed the question graph, an incomplete table showing the y values corresponding to several x values of a quadratic function of the form y equals fx within the interval -2 to +4. So question number 1, so Roman number 1, by considering the symmetry of the quadratic function, find the value of y when x equal to. When x equal to, you have to find the y value. How we find? By considering the symmetry. You know the symmetry. Here, if here -5, definitely should be the last one also -5, and 0, 0, 3. What should be here? It's 3. That's the symmetry. Okay, then we can go to the next question, question number 3. Okay, let me discuss question number 2. Using the standard system of axis and suitable scale, draw the graph of the quadratic function on the given graph paper according to the table given below. Right, I already draw a graph. I will teach you how to draw a graph step by step. X equal -2, yeah, x equal -2 and y equals -5. What is the coordinate from -2 to here, and from y-axis -5 from, you need to find the coordinate like that. -1, 0. Firstly, we should get x-axis, it's a -1, and what's the y value? Y value is 0, 0, and 0 x-axis 3 here. 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 0, this one, and 4 -5. After that, you can draw a smooth curve like this shape. This shape identified as the maximum curve, maximum parabola. And we can discuss the question number 3 also. Write the coordinates of the 2 points of the intersection of the graph and x-axis. Write the coordinates of 2 points of the intersection of the graph A part. Write the coordinates of the 2 points of intersection of the graph and the x-axis. The graph and the x-axis intersecting, these are the points, right? The graph mean like the graph, okay, and the intersection of x-axis mean x-axis intersection. These are the points, right? And what are the coordinates of them? Here coordinates are x equal -1 and y is equal 0. Here coordinates 3, 0. You have to write like that. And the B part, by considering the coordinates of the 2 points mentioned in the above part, write the given quadratic function in the form y equals -x plus p and again bracket x plus q. This is the question, the difference from the previous years as well. by considering the 2 points we found, those are intersection of the graph with x-axis. What are the coordinates? -1, 0, 3, 0. So we can discuss furthermore about this. We can identify y value in here is 0, 0, 0. So we can get y as y is equal 0. The minus value means the maximum graph, and x is already x. What is the value of p? If we get here -1, x is -1, -1, altogether -2. No, it's not. If you get +1, yes, -1 to +1 is 0. Then the total value of here will be 0. And the x value of here is 3. 3 plus what value will be the totally is 0. It should be -3. Then here should be -3. Then here part 0, two brackets closely. It's multiplication. 0 into 0, 0. Minus means no meaning. When you multiply minus into 0, 0. Then what is the answer? X plus 1 and 3. X minus 3. Before the two brackets, it should be a minus sign. Question number A. Write the intervals of values of x on which y is greater than 1. Y is greater than 1. So y equal 1 like. But the question says write the intervals of values of x on which y is greater than 1. What are the values of greater than 1? 2, 3, 4. Then these are the area you have to express from x range. This and this. This point you need to come to the x, and from this point you need to come to the x and identify it is somewhat close to -1 because so you can say 0.7 and 2.7 like that. Then you can write a range of x. X is middle. The symbols like here, the minimum value of here is minus 0.7 and the maximum value should be 2.7. And the last part of the question, obtain the length of AB, the nearest first decimal place. First of all, we need to name this intersection point as A and B. From here to here, you can find the length from x-axis. This is 0.7 and here 2.7. Then 2.7 subtract minus 0.7. What is the value? 2.7. When the subtraction in, you have to add the additive inverse. Subtraction change as plus, minus change as also plus. It's 3.4. So I think this graph question is very helpful to the grade 10 and 11 these next year O levels also. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon also. You can get easily when I upload the next video to you, right? Okay, have a good day.